Good morning, my dear students. Today we discuss an easy and interesting topic of mathematics, pair of linear equation. I know we already studied about this topic in your school classes, so it is very easy and interesting topic. So today we decided to discuss some important theory of this chapter, pair of linear equation in two variables, and some objective type questions. Okay, then what do you mean by a pair of linear equation, or what is the general form of a pair of linear equation? The general form of a pair of linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b are not simultaneously 0. So that's the general equation of a line. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is the equation for a pair of equation. So here x, coefficient of x is denoted as a, coefficient of y is denoted as b, and the last constant term is denoted as c. This type of equations are called linear equations. So here we discuss about the important topic. Consider two linear equations. What are the linear equations here? a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and the another equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So in this case, first case, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, what are the possibilities here? These equations has a unique solution. What do you mean by this unique solution? This system is consistent and there exists only one solution. That means there exists only one value for x and y which is satisfying both these equations. Also, if we draw these lines, we get two intersecting lines. We draw these equations in graph, we get two intersecting lines. For example, consider these two lines. X plus 2y is equal to 5 is a linear equation, and the another one is 2x plus y is equal to 4. So here a is equal to 1, or a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 2, and b2 is equal to 1. C1 is equal to either 5 or minus 5, it is 5, and C2 is equal to 4. Consider this equation. What is here? a1 by a2? a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2. Then what is b1 by b2? b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 1. So it is from this equation it is clear that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So this system of equation has unique solution, and this is consistent, and these lines intersect each other. This is the first case. Okay, then next one, case 2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then this system of equation has many solutions. There are infinitely many solutions for these two equations, and these equations again consistent, and the lines are coincide, or the lines are same. So the equation, consider the equation 3x plus y is equal to 5. a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to 5, and a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 2, and c2 is equal to 10. What is a1 by a2? a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 6, or simply it is denoted as 1 by 2. Then what is b1 by b2 is already it is 1 by 2, and what is z1 by c2? It is 5 by 10, so it is also 1 by 2. So in this example, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this system of equation has infinitely many solutions, and this system is consistent, and the lines are coincident. Okay, then we go to the next case. This is the last case. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that is not equal to c1 by c2, then what do you mean by this solution? There is no solution there is no common value which is satisfying for these two equations. That means these two pair of linear equation has no solution, and this system is inconsistent, and these lines are parallel. Then examples, 2x plus y is equal to 2, 6x plus 3y is equal to 1. In this chapter, this is the main topic for our objective type of questions. Okay, then there are so many other types of questions from this. We can solve any two linear equation using substitution method, elimination method. We can select any type method for finding the solution. Here we are discussing about some objective type of question here. So first we consider an objective type of question. Take a question here. What is the value of k? That means find the value of k for which the system of equation has no solution. When the system of equation has no solution, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So here a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to -4 and a2 is equal to k and b2 is equal to 3. This system of equation has no solution. No solution means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Comparing this coefficient and substituting the values here, we get 3 by k equal to -4 by 3. To find the value of k, we cross multiplying this, we get 9 is equal to -4k, or k is equal to 9 by -4, or the answer is -9 by 4, or option B is the right answer. Okay, then up to the second question. Okay, our second question is, what is the value of k for which 4x plus 5y is equal to 0 and kx plus 10y is equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions? Here the values of c1 and c2 is 0. So consider the values of a1, b1 and a2, b2. So what is the condition for a system of equation has infinitely many solution? What is the condition? a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. So it is 4 by k equal to 5 by 10. So to find the value of k, cross multiplying this we get 40 is equal to 5k, therefore k is equal to 40 divided by 5. So our right answer is k is equal to 8. The first option is the right answer. Okay, then come to the next question. Read the question carefully. The sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 12. So consider the number xy. Sum of the digits is equal to 12, that is x plus y is equal to 12. The number obtained by interchanging its digits exceed the given number by 18. So it is a two-digit number. What is the general form of a two-digit number? It is a two-digit number. The general form of a two-digit number is equal to 10x plus y. The general form of a two-digit number. If these digits are interchanged, it becomes 10y plus x. Okay, then what's the relation here? The number obtained by interchanging its digits exceed the given number by 8. So here what is the given number? It is 10x plus y. This given number plus 18, we get the number which is interchanged number. Okay, so the given number is 10x plus y. Exceed by 18 means 10x plus y plus 18, we get the value 10y plus x, that is the interchanging number. That means 10y plus x is equal to 10x plus y plus 18. Okay, rearranging the terms here, it is 10y, take this y to this side, 10y minus y. So it is 9y equal to 10x minus x. So it is 9x plus 18, or 9x minus 9y plus 18 is equal to 0. Take this 9y to the right side, it becomes minus 9y. So it is 9x minus 9y plus 18 is equal to 0, or 9x minus 9y equal to minus 18. We can divide this equation throughout by 9, it gets x minus y is equal to minus 2. So we get two linear equation, x plus y is equal to 12 and x minus y is equal to minus 2. How can we solve these two equations? X minus y is equal to minus 12 and take x plus y, x minus y is equal to minus 2, x plus y is equal to 12. By adding these two equations we get 2x is equal to 10, then x is equal to 10 by 2 or that's equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. Substitute the value of x in any of this equation. So x plus y is equal to 12, x is equal to 5 plus y is equal to 12. So we get the value of y. Y is equal to 12 minus 5. So it is 7. So we get x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7. We take our number is the two-digit number we taken here as xy. Xy is the answer. So the two-digit number here it is 57. That is the right answer. Okay. Then come to the next one. Read the question. Add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator of a fraction. So consider or take the fraction equal to x by y. This is the fraction. What is the given condition here? Add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. The fraction reduces to 1. This fraction becomes 1. That is x plus 1 equal to y minus 1 or x minus y equal to minus 1 or x minus y is equal to minus 2. Take this equation number 1. Then what is the next condition? It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. The fraction is again x by y. Numerator is taken as x itself and the denominator is y plus 1. Okay, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So x by 1, y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplying we get 2x is equal to y plus 1 or 2x minus y is equal to 1. Take this equation as equation number 2. As in previous question, we can solve 2x minus y is equal to 1 and x minus y is equal to minus 2 using elimination method or substitution method. So we can take this equation number 1, x minus y is equal to minus 2, 2x minus y is equal to 1. Find the value of x and y. Okay, take this as x minus y is equal to minus 2. Subtracting these two equations we get 2x minus x minus y. This one is minus, this one is plus and this one is again plus. 2x minus x minus y plus y. 0, 1 minus minus 2, 1 plus 2. So we get x is equal to 3. Put the value of x is equal to 3 in this equation. X minus y is equal to minus 2. We get 3 minus y is equal to minus 2 or y is equal to 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 that is equal to 5. So we get the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. We take the fraction as x by y. So here answer is 3 by 5, that is the right answer. Okay, come to the next question. A pair of equation x is equal to a and y is equal to b graphically represent the lines. How can we draw this equation as x is equal to a? Let's say constant value, we can draw this as. That means if x is equal to, this one is x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, this one minus 1, minus 2 and 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. If x is equal to 1 is a line parallel to the y-axis and drawing through the value of x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 3 is a line, x is equal to 3 is a line passing through this, x is equal to 3 is this line, x is equal to 3. What's the line here means y is equal to 2 and this is the line y is equal to 2. So this line intersect at this point. In which point? X is equal to 3. The coordinate of this point is x coordinate 3 and the y coordinate is 2. So this is an example for this question. X is equal to 3 is a line parallel to y axis and y is equal to 2 is a line parallel to x axis. So similarly, x is equal to a is a line parallel to y axis and y is equal to b is a line parallel to x axis, and these two lines are intersect at the point 3, 2. X coordinate 3 and y coordinate 2. So similarly here x coordinate is a and y coordinate is b. So these two lines are intersect at the coordinate a, b, that is the right answer. Okay. For what value of k the equation 3x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0, 6x minus ky is equal to minus 16 represent coincident line? From the theory, we know that when these two lines are coincident, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then these two lines are coincident. Can you do this as a homework and do this question as early? Okay. The pair of equation 5x minus 15y is equal to 8, 3x minus 9y is equal to 24 by 5. There are three cases. Either this system of equation has no solution, or there exists only one unique solution, or there exist so many solutions, or means infinitely many solutions. So to find this condition, we have to find a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So here a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to minus 15 and c1 is equal to 8. Then a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 9 and c2 is equal to 24 by 5. So what is a1 by a2? It is 5 by 3. Then what is b1 by b2 is minus 15 by minus 9. We can reduce this fraction throughout divided by 3, it becomes again 5 by 3. So a1 by a2 5 by 3, b1 by b2 is also 5 by 3. Then what is z1 by c2 is 8 divided by 24 by 5, or 8 into 5 by 24, or it is 40 divided by 24. We can reduce this as again 5 by 3. So we get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this function or these two equation has infinitely many solutions. That is a given condition. Okay. Consider the two equations. The first equation is x plus y by 2 equal to 5, or 2x plus y by 2 equal to 5, and we can written as 2x plus y is equal to 10. Take this as equation number 1. Okay, the other equation is x by 2 plus y equal to 11 by 2. So it is x plus 2y by 2 equal to 11 by 2. Cancel this denominator, we get x plus 2y is equal to 11. That's equation number 2. We can solve this equation using elimination method or substitution method, or there is another easiest way to find the solution for this equation is substitute the value of our options to this equation and check which option satisfies both this equation. We got the answer. That is more easiest way to find the solution for given two equation. For example, if I put x is equal to 1, first option, take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 in these two equations. Okay, x is equal to 1, 2 into 1 it is 2 plus 2, that is not equal to 10. So the first option is not the right answer. Then come to the second option, x is equal to 3, 3 into 2, 6 plus 4. So it's satisfying the first equation 10. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 is a solution for our first equation. So we please check this solution or check this value is also satisfied for our second equation also, then only that is the correct answer. Put the value here, it is 3 plus x is equal to 3, 2 into 4, 8, that's equal to 11, that's also the right answer. So we can choose the answer option B. That is the easiest way to find the solution for two given equation. Or otherwise we can solve this using elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method, whatever you know. Okay. Okay, the second question, then ninth question. For what value of P and Q the system of equation has infinite number of solution? What's the equation here? 2x plus 3y equal to 7. That's the first equation. Second one is P plus Q into x plus 2P minus Q into y equal to 21. It is A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 3 and C1 is equal to 7. A2 is equal to P plus Q, B2 is equal to 2P minus Q and C2 is equal to 21. In this question, the condition is that the system of equation has infinite number of solution. What's the given condition for an infinite number of solution? What's the condition? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So what is A1 by A2? 2 by P plus Q equal to 3 by 2P minus Q equal to 7 by 21. Okay, equating this pair, first and the last one. 2 by P plus Q equal to 3 by 7 by 21. So it is 1 by 3. Cross multiplying we get 6 is equal to P plus Q. Take this equation number 1. 6 is equal to P plus Q. Then take this 3 by 2P minus Q is equal to 7 by 21. 3 by 2P minus Q is equal to 7 by 21. So it is again 1 by 3. Cross multiplying we get 9 is equal to 2P minus Q. Take this equation number 2. In previous question we discussed about this P plus Q is equal to 6 and 2P minus Q is equal to 9. Given the values of P and Q here, we can substitute this option to these two equations and we can easily find out which one is the right answer. You can do it yourself. Okay, the next question. There is a word question relating to a word problem relating to this linear equation. 2 years ago, father was 5 times as old as his son, and 2 years later his age will be 8 more than 3 times the age of his son. Then what is the present age of the father and son respectively? So read the question carefully. So now we take the age of the father taken as x and age of the son is taken as y. 2 years ago, what is the age of father? Father's age is x minus 2 and the son's age is equal to y minus 2. Y minus 2, 2 years ago. 2 years ago, father was 5 times as old as his son. That is 2 years ago, age of the father is 5 times age of the son. That is the given condition. Read the question carefully for this type of question, and we can construct two equations, two linear equations with the two variables, and then we can easily solve this question. Okay, so it is 5y minus 10. So x minus 5y equal to minus 10 plus 2. So it is x minus 5y is equal to minus 8. That is the first equation. Okay, then read the second one. Second condition is 2 years later, means after 2 years. After 2 years, father's age is x plus 2 and son's age is y plus 2. Then read the equation carefully. 2 years later, his age, that means father's age will be 8 more than 3 times the age of his son. 3 times age of his son plus age. And again I am told you read this question carefully, the word problem and the construct, and we can construct two linear equation. So then we can easily find the solution. So it gets 3y plus 6 plus 8, it is x plus 2. Okay, then x minus 3y equal to 6 plus 8 minus 2. So x minus 3y equal to 12, that's the equation number 2. Using any method we can solve these two equations. It is most preferable to do this using this option, substituting the option to this two equation, and we can easily find the solution. Okay, I do the maximum step here because we can find or we can construct two linear equation. Then the last step is very simple, so I always told you to do that last step, you do it yours itself, then we can do it easily. Okay, the value of k for which the system of equation has unique solution. What's the condition for a system of equation has unique solution? Unique solution condition is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So what is the value? Kx minus 2y is equal to 3, 3x minus y is equal to 5, and it has only a unique solution. Take the value here. What is a1 k by 3 not equal to b1? What is b1? Minus 2 divided by minus 1. So k by 3 not equal to 2 or k not equal to 6. That is answer. K not equal to 6. Value of k for which the system of equation has unique solution. These type of questions are always very easy and it is very important type of question. Okay. Next question. Read this question carefully because it is a word problem. The area of a rectangle get reduced by 80 square unit if its length is reduced by 5 unit and breadth is increased by 2 unit. So take this length of the rectangle is equal to x unit and take the breadth as y unit. Length is equal to x and breadth is equal to y, then area is equal to length into breadth, then area is equal to x into y. So in this question the given condition is area of a rectangle get reduced by 80 if its length is reduced by 5. Length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 2, then its area is reduced by 80. Are you got it? If the length of the rectangle is reduced by 5, so length, now the length becomes x minus 5 and the breadth is increased by 2, then the breadth becomes y plus 2. Then say that area xy is reduced by 80 square units. So area xy minus 80. Multiplying these two, one x into y, xy plus 2x minus 5y minus 10 equal to xy minus 80. Cancel these two terms. 2x minus 5y equal to minus 80 plus 10. So 2x minus 5y equal to minus 70. That is equation number 1. Okay, the next step. If we increase the length by 10 unit, what is length here? X. Increase the length by 10 units, so length becomes x plus 10. Increase the length by 10 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units. Decrease, so it becomes y minus 5. Decrease the breadth by 5 units. Area is increased by 50. So this becomes xy plus 50. Okay. So again multiplying this we get x into y minus 5x plus 10y minus 50 equal to xy plus 50. Cancel this common term, xy minus 5x plus 10y equal to 50 plus 50. So minus 5x plus 10y equal to 100. Cancel this one using this 5 or minus 5. 5, then it is minus x plus 2y equal to 20, that is equation number 2. Using these two linear equation, we can find the length and the breadth of equation. Okay, we substitute the values of option here. First option is 40, 30. Length is equal to 40 and breadth is equal to 30. 2 into 40, 80, and this becomes 150. 80 minus 150, it is minus 70. Again, we put this value 40 and 30 to this equation also. It satisfies both these equation and we got the value as 40 and 30. Okay. So today we discuss all important topics of the chapter pair of linear equation, and we discuss some of the objective type of questions here, and we do your level best to do more questions to score higher mark for this topic. And okay, all the best and have a nice day. Okay, thank you.